Ever accidentally ordered one too many designer dupes or changed your mind about that bulk haul? Let's get those Pandabuy orders canceled smoothly. First things first, log into your Pandabuy account and head straight to your orders page. This is where all your purchases live and where you'll find the option to manage them. Once you've located the order you wish to cancel, look for the Cancel Order button. It's usually clearly visible next to the order details. Click on it to initiate the process. A pop-up will appear asking you to select a reason for cancellation. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Honesty here can sometimes help speed things up. Pandabuy will then detail any potential fees or processing times associated with your cancellation. It's crucial to read this information carefully, as some orders, especially those already being processed by the seller, might incur small charges. After reviewing the details, you'll need to confirm your decision. Click the Confirm Cancellation button to submit your request. Your order status will now update to reflect that a cancellation has been requested. Pandabuy will then communicate with the seller to process your cancellation. In some cases, you might need to communicate directly with the seller to confirm the cancellation, especially if the order is complex or if there was a misunderstanding. Keep an eye on your Pandabuy messages for any seller responses. Once the cancellation is fully processed and confirmed, you'll see the order removed from your active list, or its status will clearly show as canceled. Your funds will be returned to your Pandabuy account balance or original payment method, depending on their policy. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can confidently manage your Pandabuy orders and cancel any unwanted purchases. Happy shopping, and we'll see you in the next video.